Okay guys, so let's do some plottings, some plots here. Okay, so we are going to work with this part right here, plots. Now it says that plot the function y equals x cubed on the interval of -5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. And I am using Rstudio, and those of you have R, it's I think the same thing, so nothing really changes. So let's see what we get. Now, it says that y is equal to x cubed, right? Okay, and x is between -5 and 5. So the dimension of x is -5 column 5. This is x. That's where we find x. Now it says y is equal to x cubed. So we find y equals to x to the power of 3. Enter. Now, how are we going to plot this? We have to plot it. So there's a function that is called plot, and it says xy, right? So x, comma, y. Now I'm going to click Ctrl Enter, and we're gonna get this. Now, if you want to make it look like a single line, you could say plot x comma y comma type equal L, and you will get a line. So this is how you would plot y equals to x cubed on the interval of x, which is -5 to 5. So the second one now says plot the function of y equals to secant of x with the window 0 less than x less than 2 pi and -10 less than y less than 10. Now the code is that's the code that I already have. So x is equal to the sequence of from equal to 0, comma 2 equal to 2 times pi, comma by equal to 0.01. That's the code. Control Enter x, and this is the result of x. Then now let's try to plot y equals to secant of x. Let's see if that works. I know it might actually not gonna work. It might not work. Y is equal plot secant of x. So secant of x and it says could not find sec of x. So we are going to take that away. So now we're going to do something else. We're going to call y equals to the secant of x. Okay? Control. Now, cannot find y. Cannot find the secant of x. Like I said, I knew it was not going to work. So instead of doing the secant, you have to use the other option, which is 1 over cosine. So y equals to 1 divided by cosine of x. So let's go back, Ctrl R, and Ctrl R. Now let's plot x, comma, y, comma, type. We want it to be a line, so L. The limit of y lim, comma, y lim equals to c -10 column 10. And let's plot this. Now it says error, not found. So let's try something else. Let's see. I'm going to take this. This is a comma. So let's try it again. So Control L, Control Enter, Control Enter, and here we go. Yes. Sometimes it's really tedious how to manipulate these codes. You might, because this is a limit, so they don't want us to put the column, so you have to put comma. So I put comma, but this is how you do it. This is how you do the, and sometimes if you cannot find cosecant and secant, you can use the alternative, which is the inverse of sine and cosine. So that's what I did right here, because I knew that if I used the secant, it would not work, because I already did before. I wanted to show you guys exactly what happens if you use the secant or cosecant. But other than that, everything is fine, and here's the graph. Now, I could have probably taken that part right here out and just say this, and I get it like this. You see? So you can decide to put the type L, which is a line, or nothing, and you will get the same answer, except it would look more bigger, or I would say prettier, if you have the type equal L. It would look prettier with it. So basically that's how it looks with the type L. So guys, I hope you understood this one, and I hope that was actually fun to watch, and I hope you can now do it, and even faster than me, hopefully. But other than that, that's about it for today. So I hope you have a good time, and thank you for watching my video. Have a good day. Bye.